Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the knowledge intimation. As you know that we have started videos of parts of speech, and in the last video we thought about parts of speech, its definition, meaning and groups, open and closed class words. If you are new on this channel and you still don't know open and closed class words, there is a link in the description. Click on it and watch the previous video. And in today's lecture, we are going to explore that why noun is so important for our conversation and how it helps us to explore ourselves. Remember, without a noun, our conversation would be like a puzzle missing important pieces. Nouns make our conversation clear and easy to understand. So आज हम noun के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. So let's begin. Actually, there are different concepts and derivation about noun. दरअसल हमारे साथ मुख्तलिफ concepts हैं nouns के बारे में, and we will teach them one by one in this video. So the first one, that is Latin concept. The second one is French, and the third one is Greek. So let's come to the first one. Latin concept. Latin concept says that noun word is taken from the Latin word nomen, which means naming words. कि ये लातिनी जुबान से लिया गया है nomen से, जिसका मतलब है naming words. They give the statement in the 17th century that noun is the name of all naming words. उन लोगों ने statement 17th century में दिया है कि noun is the name of all naming words. यानी हमारे साथ जितनी भी nouns है, जितनी भी naming words है, हम इसको noun कह सकते हैं. It was said in the 17th century. Now, the French concept. The French concept said that noun word is taken from the French word nomus, which means identified objects. जिसका मतलब है identified objects, यानी जिन चीजों की हम शनाख्त कर सकते हैं. They give the statement in the 15th and 16th centuries that noun is the name of identified objects. यानी जिन चीजों की हम पहचान या शनाख्त कर सकते हैं, हम इसको noun कह सकते हैं. The Greek concept says that noun word is taken from the Greek word nomia, which means tangible and identified objects. जिसका मतलब है जिन चीजों की हम शनाख्त कर सकते हैं और उसको टच कर सकते हैं. टेंजिबल का मतलब है जिन चीजों को हम टच कर सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं, हम इसको टेंजिबल कहते हैं. तो उन लोगों ने बताया कि जिन चीजों की हम शनाख्त कर सकते हैं और इसको टच कर सकते हैं, हम इसको noun कहते हैं. They give the statement in the 14th century that noun is the name of tangible and identified objects. कि noun क्या है? Identified और tangible objects है, हम इसको noun ही कह सकते हैं. So these are concepts about the noun. Now let's talk about the new approach. That what they say about noun. The new approach says, they give the definition that noun is the name of a person, place, thing, idea, quality, quantity, title, substances and animals. उन लोगों ने बताया कि noun is the name of a person. noun जो ये एक शख्स का नाम है, place एक जगह का नाम है, thing एक चीज का नाम है, idea एक आइडिया का नाम है, quality एक क्वालिटी का नाम है, quantity, title, substances and animal. In simple words में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारे साथ जितनी भी names है, according to the English grammar, हम इसको noun ही कह सकते हैं. If it is animal names or person or whatever. तो according to the English grammar हम इसको noun ही कह सकते हैं. Examples: person, अली, सायरा etc. पर्सन में हमारे साथ जितने भी शख्स है, ह्यूमन बींग्स, प्लेस, जगह, पेशावर, न्यूयॉर्क etc. थिंग, चेयर, पेन etc. नॉन लिविंग थिंग, क्वालिटी, ब्यूटी, फेथ, क्वांटिटी, किलो, पाउंड etc. टाइटल में अलामा इकबाल, द नॉलेज, इंटीमेशन and so on. Substances में nitrogen, hydrogen, and animal में cat, goat, sheep etc. Our idea में you can say kind, love etc. So that was the new approach of definition. Now let's talk about the roots and terminologies of noun. Actually, in the roots and terminologies of noun में हम noun के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, noun की related जो चीजें हम इसमें और पढ़ते हैं, terminologies या roots में types of noun, cases or usages of noun, gender of noun, form of noun, and numbers of noun. And we will teach them all of them in the next videos. So that was today's lecture, and I hope you got it. Thank you so much.